What's going on, pro cutters? Welcome back to another hike with Donovan at the Seven Islands Tennessee State Birding Park. And today we're going to go on the Hickory Ridge Trail again, which is showing at 0.6 of a mile. And we've got our Garmin Instinct on, so we'll know exactly how far we've gone. And so far we've been 0.13 from the truck. So I'm going to cut this off now, and if we see anything interesting, I'll turn the camera back on. These are some of the birds that you can see around here. The pileated woodpecker is one of my favorites. Destructive little bugger, but man, he's actually really big. Guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to see them in the video, but we just kicked up a bunch of deer. There's still one doe standing here. She's a pretty good sized old girl. And of course Donovan is super interested. I'm going to see if I can't figure out how to get this. See, I still don't really know how to use the zoom on the GoPro, but she's right in there. Yeah, I don't know if you're going to be able to see her or not. Pretty cool though. She just standing still. Her and Donovan are in a stare off. Come on, Dee. Let's leave her be. The rest of the girls took off. She's just still standing there. Oh man, I wish I had zoomed, because she just peeked around both sides of this tree looking at Donovan. Oh, here's another little girl right here. She's smaller than the other one. Now she's taken off that way back toward the other one, so I'm sure you could see her then. Still don't know if you saw the other one. Come on, Dee. Oh, we got another one crossing the trail up here in front of us. Two more. They're hanging out on this ridge. It's nice and cool in here in the woods. Yeah, I don't know if you're going to see those two running up the hill. We may be a little bit too far away to catch them on camera. Oh, I see another little one over there. She's standing still. Donovan didn't even notice her. He's focused on the two that have gone up the ridge right there, because he saw those. That other one is just froze down under there. Now the one is still standing here. The other one ran up the ridge, and this one's about to start running up the ridge now. So now she just went up a few steps. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see her. So this is about the high point on the trail, and of course it's overlooking the French Broad River. To your left heads toward my house in Sevierville, and if you were to go right on the river, it would take you to Knoxville. And then in the background you can see the Smoky Mountains. By the way, I came prepared today. I've got my Duncan Cloud hiking boots on. But here we just kicked up a doe who was over here. She ran back down there, but she's gone long before I had a chance to get the camera on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this one, guys, but that's a little spike. He ain't even looking at me. He's just staring at Donovan. There he goes. Took off the other direction now. Check this out. They've got a big cutout painted of a pileated woodpecker. Pretty interesting. This is not really the trail, but I think Donovan will be able to follow me this way, so I don't have to go back. Pretty interesting. D, get up, go around that. Go around that. There you go. This way, come on. Good boy. Come on. This way. Good boy, Donovan. Hey, come here. Come here, boy.